Me. Dan, 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 relax now. Wild fall. Wild fall. Behave no wild fall, man. Wild fall. Oh, you deal with a friend, so. Me and your Franco Davis. Franco. 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 One bomb buckler while fall is back again. Relax no man. Relax.
You hear me, sir?
Relax. Danji, relax. 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 Me and your friend. Stop. Danji, I never. While fall, just relax. Relax.
Good evening, Miss Pa. You have a dead right up on Baltung Tap, the right hand gate, by the name of Duppy. You can't come for him. He's dead. Come for him right now. Live at Balstown, right now. People, this is a breaking news. They call me news bug. You know Nan? You have one boy named Duppy. Duppy. Me take him, he say one girl. See? He not even grind the girl. The girl have him for 3 months. And he can't turn up. And me go take him take a girl from him. And him begs. And I say hard tired thing about me. The man who dead. I feel like send him where the place they make keep dead name? Mispa. Me could send Mispa for him. Nan boy. You don't know when they call Duppy. Him see one. He was dead like dead bullfrog. And he thief all people planting. And he push back them bossy then science him. And he put back bossy. And you want me woman sorry for him to him who dead. And he go, woman go make him finger him. You hear me people? He mother go make him finger him. And he pick the come catch him. And carry pan road. Attack. The woman workless. You man the boy. Me don't know them workless so. I drunk of them. I labor right them. Them wicked. Damn fat. The boy thief our people planting all boat and thief people yam. And if you ever see him foot, a bust up like planting when planting ripe. He can't walk barefoot. A drunko.
No man, but what him say?
Pussy hole, if you go and follow me, lick down your blood clot, you know. Me say if you go and follow me, lick down your blood clot and go down a bag of water.
I wouldn't say. Wouldn't say you lick out the dog food all time out.
Lick down your blood clot and go down a bag of water.
But the dog food, I say come
Pussy hole, if you go and follow me, I got you going to feel blood clot something today, yeah? Pussy. Alright.
What for? Yo, Danji, come here, mom. Dandelo. Yeah, Dandy.
Suck your mother.
Yo, no worry, where you trouble for?
What's she trouble for? Eh? What's my fuck with her? What's she trouble for?
Where's your trouble? Where you trouble?
That's my one.
Eh?
So I come with us. Yeah, but so I come with us some flash some money and last some money. So I below me. What did bro? What do you say? Fuck with me about me and look at me and look at. Suck my pussy. So them about you about me and look at. But dead man. Suck your mother. Sing now below. If you ever like my bottom.
Drunk, yeah, what you?
As in don't son go chat.
If you not get pussy and... No, yo. If you not get pussy and talk, man. Nobody not ask you nothing, you're informer. So where you talk about?
Me get pussy found. Me can't talk to pussy them look good.
I know that you say a while ago.
But what do you get?
Yeah. Go here and informer. And that's why a woman finna give you them catches pussy if you fuck dog. Yo, John Crow. I be a fluxy man going around here. I be a foxy man going around here.
How are you?
Around there some beer seed.
Yeah. BSC boy and him. BS man. Yeah, waste man boy. Yeah, waste.
Come on, just say, you woman say I waste
Yeah,
man.
waste man.
Then I must. Can't waste nothing, man.
A fool that man.
So what you say I menu now?
Boy, dumpling and steam rice together and fried fish.
You say boiled dumpling and steam rice together
Yeah, fried fish.
and fried fish. Show them in boiled dumpling and season.
Yeah, now come.
Alright guys, see that? I boss fish that.
Boy, dumpling in this.
Boss boiled dumpling and rice there. Rice and boiled dumpling together.
Yeah,
And steam fish, fried
fried
fish.
fish.
Yeah. The man have a modest menu there. I see boss and how are your clothes now?
Yeah.
Your clothes now, I think you're home today. Boss locked. Alright. Restaurant lock. Alright, see you yesterday. Because yesterday boss opened, you know. Boss locked today. Alright guys. We out that up. Well,
One big blood clot, full boy up I am. Up put that one on the rest of him.
Oh,
One little full boy has about 1 piece and sleep.
Jason.
Listen,
Jason, are you boy?
in a back row, there in fuck in and making in that thing.
So, I see if I get the boy, eh?
In that silver.
Yeah? Now what you can get the boy, eh?
And that's why blood clot girl they did not for the girl come down the riverside and look for me.
A cool catch him.
No, I don't push cold. He come down the riverside, go look for him friend who fuck him all the way down there.
Yeah.
And gone, with partner gone. Never come out of that fuck.
I dare say get him and fuck him. Now I will, sir.
Me go to Silver me who turn up in our way. That's me say 2 blood clot man and can't take no wood.
Eh?
In the water.
Eh?
One where see one out dead. You know, a soldier.
You ever fuck? You fucking a water yet? You ever fuck a water yet, man?
All the way.
Which one you say you fuck? You Alicia?
All the way.
Which part?
All in the back way. Every day we fuck all out there.
You too fucking lie, man.
Out there.
Oh,
And no, yeah.
who you fuck out that? You too lie, man. A long time you not fuck, man.
You don't want to fuck again from me tell you. And for me little body can't take fuck no from if you go fuck no. While you can work in there, broke out and you're dead. 2 things me can't get rid of now.
What?
Can't get it from me. And me can't get from blood clot fuck out the pussy.
Why?
You don't get no video on a rascal.
Nah,
You come fuck that you get video. If you did that turn with that fuck pussy, for give you money. When me get the gold for that kill me, for me to get something to buy.
Yes, yeah.
For anytime you go out the road, and you that town, you know,
Yeah.
and you go buy doctor fish.
Yeah.